Hello, today we're going to be looking at alcohol in terms of how teens are influenced through the use of advertisements. This is a continuation of our ATOD unit. To start with, we need to understand that media and mass media are communications such as social networks, music, radio, television, and internet applications. They're designed to reach many people, and they're often filled with advertisements that are created to persuade people to buy or use specific products or services. Take a moment and think about advertisements that you've seen that may be trying to sell alcohol. Did you know that teens see an average of 23 alcohol advertisements per month? And for each ad above that 23, a teen is 1% more likely to use alcohol. Additionally, possessing alcohol-branded merchandise, such as those seen here, significantly increase the likelihood that they are already consuming alcohol or it indicates future use of alcohol. In fact, 7th graders that are exposed to alcohol commercials on TV are more likely to start drinking by the time they're in 8th grade as compared to students who do not view alcohol commercials on TV. Advertisements use a variety of techniques to influence consumers, including teenagers. Let's look at a few examples of these techniques and ads. Children and teens often find ads that use animated characters or catchy graphics in alcohol to be desirable. Additionally, ads that show positive effects of consuming a product without mentioning the negative effects can influence a teen's interest in trying alcohol. Showing celebrity testimonials can increase interest, as well as advertisements that use false images in order to try to make people feel that if they drink the product, they will also be able to party like these people. The reality is that alcohol is very dangerous to use and the consequences can be deadly. It's important to be aware and resist the temptations that are created through advertisements.